Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, for all those of you who have floating calipers on your car and have noticed that they wear out more, or much more, a pad than the other. I'm going to explain what the problem is. There you can see that this pad is almost at half of its useful life and is practically already touching the iron. This occurs because there is a pin inside the brake caliper. It is known as a guide pin, despite the fact that it has a dust cover. Over time dirt ends up getting inside it, okay? Now we are going to disassemble it. This car belongs to a client, who usually comes to do the maintenance at the workshop, and we already have that pin in good condition. Okay, look. There we extract the guide pin, and there you will see that it is perfectly lubricated and greased. It should be that way to avoid, as I said, that irregular wear. It is a simple job. All I have want to do is clean it, both the guide pin and the interior where it is housed. There you can see that it also has grease inside. Clean it well and grease it, and you avoid that problem of irregular wear on the brake pads. There you see that these pads have the same wear, okay? They don't have that irregular wear, because, as I said, we check it. And if we see that one pad is more worn than the other, we already know that the problem usually comes from there, and what we do is clean it, lubricate it and grease it, and we already give the pads more useful life. This means that the customer is going to save money. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.